Hi, I'm Don, and this is the Hobbyist Geek. Alright, today we are going to be doing issue 32 on the R2-D2 build. I don't expect this is going to be a very long issue. We've got a very small parts pack here, but why don't we crack it open and see what we got. As expected, this is going to be a fairly short video. Here are the parts that we get with this issue. You get an infrared sensor, and you get a whole bunch of screws and stuff that we're not going to be using in this issue, but for now we just need the infrared sensor, one 6mm black screw, and the leg assembly that we've been building thus far. Now this infrared sensor is going to come in here, and it's going to line up just like this. So you get the I don't know, LEDs, lights, whatever those are, the sensors themselves. Those are going to be facing down. You've got a screw hole in the middle. It's going to line up with that, and you'll notice there's a little notch here, and that is where the power plug is going to go. And you use one 6mm screw to hold it in place. All right. And then this cable here will just plug right into it. So hopefully I left enough slack here to do this properly. Ooh, it is a tight fit though, I will give it that. It is a very tight fit. But I do believe I have enough length. It's just a matter of getting it lined up enough to get in there. There we go. And we'll snap it in. And boom! There it is. Nice and neat. Infrared sensor is installed. Well, as expected, that was a very, very short issue. We've got our infrared sensor installed on the right leg assembly here. Things are definitely coming together, and I think we all know that we're going to have to repeat all of this for the left leg here shortly. But for now, that would be it. So if you like the video, please remember to like, share, and subscribe, and we will see you next time. Have a great day.